Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 40. These haircuts are perfect for busy women who want to look stylish without spending too much time on their hair. If you want a neat, fresh look with very little effort, this video is just for you. Let's start. First, remember this. A low maintenance haircut should be always easy to style, easy to manage, and look good even without daily effort. The right haircut can save you time and still make you feel confident. Now let's talk about the haircut ideas. The shoulder length lobe haircut is one of the best low maintenance styles. It is not too short and not too long. This haircut looks good straight, wavy or slightly messy. You don't need to style it every day, just a little brushing is enough. Next is long hair with soft layers. Soft layers add shape without making hair too managed. This haircut looks natural and relaxed. You can tie it or leave it open easily. It grows out nicely and does not need time. Now let's talk about the classic bob haircut. A simple bob is clean, stylish and very easy to handle. A chin length or jawline length bob works well for daily life. You don't need curling or straightening every day. It always looks neat and polished. Another great option is a textured bob. This haircut has light layers that add movement. It looks good even when slightly messy. Perfect for women who like a relaxed and modern style. Let's start with short haircut. The pixie cut is one of the easiest hairstyles to maintain. It needs very little styling time. Just wash, dry and you are ready to go. A soft pixie with layers looks fresh and stylish. It is perfect for hot weather and busy routine. Another short haircut idea is a short layered cut. This style gives volume and shape. It does not need daily styling. It styles in shape even as it grows. Now let's talk about wavy and natural haircut. Natural haircuts that work with very natural texture are always low maintenance. Soft waves are natural curls, don't need perfect styling. They look beautiful and effortless. Side part haircuts are also easy to manage. A side part adds shape without extra effort. You don't need perfect parting every day. Let's start with hair color and maintenance. Natural hair color are easier and maintained. Soft highlights grow out beautifully. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.